is all done. Now it's time to put it into place. Check out the last video if you want to see how we built it. Here we go. Moving the wall onto the air mattresses.
Get in there?
I don't know.
I vote Eric goes in. I don't know if I'm going to show off my party pants right now.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so if you hold that, we can all move it in now. Eventually this is not gonna, the thing's gonna go off.
You guys are all coming back in October when we take this down, right? Whoa, this is going way over. Oh God. You need someone in the water over here, man. I got it. I got to make sure it doesn't, you know, if someone says go left, then go left.
Hey, it's floating.
Wait, it's not really on the plywood, it's like the side.
Okay.
As long as it's not a huge gashing hole, I think it's okay. Can't see it, Ben. Rotate.
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 This is like working well. I'm stunned.
Yeah, we need to get it in between.
Take a picture right now.
Don't hit your headband on the 4x4.
Uh-oh. The white line, for the white line this way. There you go, there you go.
Just straighten it out.
You got that?
Alright.
I can't believe the wells is working. I thought it'd be the bottom of the pool by now.
Blub, blub, blub,
Okay.
blub.
Do we need to...
Got it?
Hope it fits. You good?
Yes, it fits. I measured right.
What happened to your plastic?
And here's. Okay. Oh, it's too far. Too far.
Do one at a time, one side at a time.
Oh. One in.
Nice.
It's in.
Exactly.
Kind of
Gossip
thing.
is complaints.
Wait, what if the mattress goes off the end and the thing just
I
sinks?
wonder if I could push underneath this thing.
There's no way. If you had good enough balance for that, I would be quite impressed.
Yeah.
How hard can
I
it
at
be?
least know I don't have balance.
Maybe
Well, we can try.
pulling.
I don't know.
Oh god.
Not a good idea.
Not a good.
You get one hand of this, one hand of that?
Paul, Paul.
That was So we got the ladder in the pool right now. It's kind of working. Okay, I'm lifting.
I got my side.
Carry a little farther.
Oh.
Too far.
Yep.
Want to get the air mattress too?
Get him.
Looks like you got less poison ivy since last time I was here.
It's fine. Like, what's the worst that can happen?
Break his neck.
Alright.
That does not look good.
We gotta do it again.
Does this look like
What am I gonna put underneath it though?
No, we gotta use the center of it. Yeah,
This is real.
Alright.
Who's holding the ladder?
Oh my god.
The water.
Someone should stay here.
Now we might be able to pull it.
Okay, so now we're gonna use the ropes now,
Yeah.
We could try.
and then I can lift up here still.
Alright.
Here we go, lift.
Can't do that. Oh my god, Matt.
Okay, then stop it down.
Please be careful.
We gotta come along
I
4,000
don't know.
pounds.
See, he likes chemistry, but like if he wants to become an he could have done mechanical engineering and studied acoustics. Like, but he likes chemistry, which is I don't know how. I fucking hate chemistry.
Matt, do you need my help?
No.
Okay, cool.
too hard. Let's just let the rats do the work. We'll stand for it.
Someone's gonna be ready to catch it, right?
Okay, take it right off.
Okay, Matt, move.
It's going up!
Matt,
I am getting the hell out of here.
Yeah, good.
Okay, that's the highest thrust it's gonna hit though.
Nice, what?
That's the highest thrust it'll hit. Keep going. Nice and slow. Keep pulling that. Nice and best you can. And it's actually working. Let's add some more holes. Just finished the first day with the wall. It was pretty awesome, but man, this thing is tall. It is kind of terrifying. Just look at that. I mean, you're falling from almost 13 feet, or 11 feet from the top of the thing. And it's scary. I'm afraid you can hit the wall or something. I might need to cut off the top and make it more safe. But nothing broke, so that's good. Hope you guys enjoyed.